In this video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate a Facebook account. Alright, so the first thing we need to do to deactivate our Facebook account is simply open up the Facebook app on our iPhone or Android phone and then select the menu button in the bottom right of the app. Once the menu opens, select the gear in the top right to open the settings. Once in the settings, the first section will be labeled Account Center. Go ahead and select See More in Account Center at the bottom. Once you open up the Account Center, scroll down, and under Account Settings, select Personal Details. In Personal Details, select the last option, Account Ownership and Controls. Now that we're in here, all we need to do is select the last option, Deactivation or Deletion. Then, select the Facebook profile that you want to deactivate. You have two options in here. You can either deactivate your Facebook account, which is temporary, or you can permanently delete your Facebook account by changing to Delete Account. To temporarily deactivate our Facebook account, make sure Deactivate Account is selected and then go down to the bottom and select Continue. Keep in mind, if you have any Facebook pages that you're the owner of or the only admin, those pages will be deactivated as well. So, go ahead and select Continue, and then once you enter your password, select Continue, and your Facebook account will be deactivated. Alright, so that's how you deactivate a Facebook account. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If this video helps you, give it a thumbs up. And please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.